Hey, welcome back. I promised an update on how I do the BAS, backyard air suspension rail kit. This is a C model. I've done it on the RS model as well to make the bags stronger and so they don't wobble. You'll buy their rail kit and you cut off about 5-6 inches off from the front to the back. Then you'll slug it. Then you'll buy a cheap Amazon Softail rail kit and you'll cut off the whole leg, the whole front leg off that. And what you do is you'll end up sliding it on that slug kit and you weld it all up. And then you buy these two kits. Let me see the pictures of them kits. You'll buy these two kits. This is one. And this as well. And what you do is you use that right there on that rear peg mount so you don't have to weld nothing. It gives you full adjustment back and forth or this way as well. And you'll weld that in there. And what you can do is you'll just bolt that up to that right there at either height for more support. If you want it higher to keep the back from sagging, you can push it forward or back to help align with the bags if you need to. And what that does is once you weld that up, weld that on there, it makes it to where that bag can't move at all. Even with, because I'm putting 2 tins with 6 1/2s on this bagger that I'm doing for a customer from Mississippi. So, but you do got to slug it. And I would suggest drilling a hole on either side of the gap, bevel each end, weld it in, blend it in, and just shoot some gloss black paint on it, because that's what I did on my blue one there. And them bags have never moved at 80 miles an hour on big bumps or anything. And this, what that does is it keeps this from happening right here. See how this moves in the front? Even with all that tied in, with that, adding that leg, just that leg, with that little bit of kit, keeps all that from happening. I hope this helps. If you like it, let me know.